Good morning, boys and girls. Hope you're getting ready to start your day. Hopefully you're having a good morning. Want to do another literacy video to go over our Decodable story. I have our sight words up. Hopefully you've learned your sight words and can read them all by yourself. You don't need any help. You don't need your parents to tell you what the word is. You don't need your brothers or sisters or any other family members to tell you what these words say. You're able to read them by yourself. So if not, keep practicing so that you can learn all the words you need to know for kindergarten to help you start reading. Also, in your bag or sack that you picked up, in the folder I have a list of words. There is list 1, 2, 3, 4, I think, stapled together. So start reading those words and memorizing those words and be able to look at those words and know them. Probably when we get back to school, we'll start practicing some more of the words, and then I'll be testing you to see how many words you know. So the first list has 20 words on it. So hopefully really soon, maybe by the end of this month or in maybe the middle of next month, you know at least those 20 words. And then once you learn those words, go to the next one and see how many words you can know before Christmas would be nice. Alright, so here's 3 today. We have the word like, to, and a. Then you can go the other way, a, to, and like. And then do them out of order. To, like, a. So I have a story that we're going to listen to. It's also in your workbook, and it's one of our decodables. So let me go ahead and click. Okay, this is called Sam Sat, and you're going to notice there's going to be our letters that we've been working on are in the story. So listen for those sounds of letters. Also the sight words or high frequency words that we started practicing are in here as well. So those are some of the things to listen for and look for. Here we go.
Sam sat. I am Sam. Highlight the words with the S sound.
And then you can draw. When it says highlight, you can, if you have a highlighter, you can color it, or you might just want to draw a little line under it or circle it. Remember to think about who's in the story, where they are, what they're doing, why they're doing it, how. So think about some of those question words when you're going through the story.
I like to sit. I like a mat. Sam sat at the mat. Underline the words with the short A sound.
And remember, the A is a vowel. It makes more than one sound. Okay, and so that was kind of a short book, but you can go back and read it, sound out the words. See if you can read it all by yourself. A couple of times practice with someone in your family, and then take the time to try to read it all by yourself without any help. Remember, we want to become independent readers, independent thinkers, independent students, where we can do things by ourselves once we learn them. So your parents are your teachers, I'm your teacher, but eventually we want you to be able to do these things on your own or by yourself, so that when you go to first grade, you're already ready and can do all these things without a lot of help and just the support that you need sometimes, maybe when there's something maybe you don't know how to do. And then also you'll be teachers and be able to teach someone maybe something they don't know. You might have little brothers and sisters. You could be their teacher and teach them the name of the letters, the name of the sounds, the words, or maybe showing your grandmother or grandfather what you know. You could take your books and read them to people in your family and show them what you know, that you can do some things by yourself. So, alrighty, so this will be your story to practice this week, and I may have one other thing, video to make for you for this week, and then that will be it. Have a good one.